Hello, dear students. How are you? Okay, hope you all are fine. Me too. In my last class, I discussed about chapter 5's topic was receiving Nabuwat. Okay. Today I discuss topic showing dignity to labor. Page 76 to 77. Showing. Okay, showing dignity to labor. Let's read. Take your book and open page 76. I am reading your book. Labor means to work and to do some physical or mental jobs. Labor means our great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would himself do his own work. He never cast away the work. He never neglects the work. He himself used to work. He used to help and assist others. Sometimes we feel shyness in working. We think that if I do work, people will call me as a worker or servant. They will hate and disgrace me. But it could not be thought like this. On the other hand, if he works, everybody will love him, respect him, and all will be affectionate to him. We feel shyness when we do our work. If our friend or others look at me, I feel shy. No, never do this. Work is not bad. Understand? If you work, your health and mind will be shine. Our Prophet never do any work by others. He do his work by his own. Understand? Okay. The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam would sew the torn clothes with his own hands. He would mend his shoes, clean the clothes, washing them, and clean the house with his own hand. He would himself feed the guests and give them nursing. Think, our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the great Prophet, but he led a very simple life. He nursed, when any guest come his home, he nursing them smoothly. Okay. He would work with other members of the family. He worked always together with all and would not hate to work. He worked with together, but he never hate work. For this, a story. Look and hear. This is a story. One day the great Prophet was passing through a road. He saw an old man watering in the garden. When he passing through the road, he saw a old man watering in the garden. The water was far more from the garden, but the man was old. Seeing this, Prophet was very much painful to bring water. The man was a servant. The great Prophet ﷺ was so kind to him and came forward to help him. He watered the garden, taking the water pot from the man. The old man became much pleased with the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam deeds. Okay, the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam saw an old man watering in the garden. The garden was much far from the water. So our great prophet feel sadness. He put the pot from the old man and watered by own. How great our prophet. The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, those who work for you are your brother. Our great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, think about this sentence. Do not give them troubles. Give them respect. Whatever you eat, feed them same. Give them the same quality of dress as you wear. Help them in their works. He also said, pay the laborer for his labor before the sweat of his body is dried up. Understand? We called it in Bengali. I say you a single line. Here, Prophet said, তোমরা লেবার মানে শ্রমিকদের গায়ের ঘাম শুকানোর আগে তাদেরকে কি করো, পাওনা পরিশোধ করে দাও। ঠিক আছে? Okay, the poor man and woman are working in our houses. The little boys and girls are also working there. We shall have to behave with them well. If the workers are elder-aged men, we should honor them. If they are younger in age, we should love their. We have to give them food which we are taking. We should help them in their works. We shall not him and trouble there. They are also men like us. They are our brothers. They have honor like us. We shall give them honor. We shall give honor also for their labor. You know, in our home, many boys, girls, or aged men, women may be worked, but show them respect. Never talk your servant. Never. Understand? I give you a homework from this topic. Please. Give you homework. Okay, no more today. Do the homework. Goodbye.